Candid Chips and Bytes for Grade 9.
Unit 1. Basics of Information Technology.
Information technology is a technology which supports activities involving the creation, storage, manipulation, and communication of information together with their related methods, management, and application.
Computer system. A computer is a general-purpose electronic machine that manipulates raw facts termed as data and converts it into information according to the instructions that are fed into it. The computer as a machine and all other equipment associated with it constitute hardware. The instructions that tell it what to do are called software. Computer plays an important role in our lives. When you withdraw cash from an ATM, scan groceries at the store, or use a calculator, you are using a type of computer. A basic computer consists of three components: CPU, that is Central Processing Unit, I/O, that is Input/Output, and memory. Data comes through input, and the CPU processes the data based on a program which is in memory. The result is returned to memory or is presented to the user. CPU itself consists of Arithmetic and Logic Unit, that is ALU, Control Unit, that is CU, and registers. Content security. The content security is concerned with the protection of information from all well-known viruses, worms, and trojans, as well as with the recognition of new dangers and the prevention of spams. The measures for the content security reach from antivirus programs, with those web traffic and all emails become scanned, over the protection from hacker attacks up to anti-spam filters, web filters and device control solutions.